Welcome back to Ford of Upland. We're looking at the F150 XLT. This is the 2021 model, and this is our sport version. This is one of the most tricked out pickups you're ever gonna see. It has a lot of tricks up its sleeve. Let's check it out. So there you have it. 3.5 liter Ecoboost engine. You're getting turbos on this. 20 miles per gallon. Not bad for a pickup of this size. How fast this goes, you're gonna be stoked with 20 miles per gallon, I'm telling you that. Now, you're gonna get 400 horsepower and 500 pound-feet torque on this. That's crazy. You're gonna love towing. You're gonna love going on the highway with this. It sits lower than the other F-150s. The bed is a little tucked in, matted rims. You're getting nice matted running board there. It does not go in and out, it just stays like that. That's really cool though. You're getting your sport badging right here. You got your full tow setup back here, your back parking sensors, your back camera. You're getting rear lights here, here, there, and there. It comes back at you like a dream. You just press. That's really cool. No camera. Oh wait, there it is. That's where they put the camera. That's pretty cool. As you can see that, there you go. That's really cool. But here's my hand compared to the mirror. Massive. Your XLT badging. Hello. Alloy rims. They look really good. There it is. You're getting 20-inch 6-spoke dark alloy wheels. Your safety features. Front camera. Parking sensors, which is a dream when you're driving something bigger than a normal car size. That looks really good. Now all the new F-150s have this map. It is an Easter egg. If you know what this map is from, please comment below. And to open, you just press that. This wheel is massive. There's a lot of features here. Control your cruise control, set your car length. This is awesome. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're in a James Bond car now. My only complaint with this is how big it is. Because it's like a turkey leg. These are cool. House outlets, standard on new vehicles. The camera. Oh, there we go. That's awesome. Because you can tap anywhere you want and see exactly how close you are to things. That is really good. The James Bond secret compartments continue. Tremendous amount of space in here. You can control your bed here, turn on the lights, lower the bed, lower bed, lights on. That's fantastic. All right, and we have a tremendous amount of space here. If you want to store something, nephews, cousins, luggage, whatever you want, and all you need to do is pull this and they go down. The same thing on the other side will bring down the other two. Ooh. Hydraulics. Always nice. Especially with a massive hood like that, hydraulics are gonna come in handy. But this is what we've been waiting for. This is what's powering our James Bond pickup. So that's it. That's your 2021 F150 XLT Ecoboost Mountains, Ford of Upland. Only place you're gonna get all of this. If you wanna see more of these James Bond pickups, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.